Certainly. Below is a suggested English script for a documentary-style video about the history and travel of Morocco, initially in Urdu. Introduction. Scene opens with a wide shot of Morocco's diverse landscapes, desert, mountains, and vibrant cityscapes. Narrator. Morocco, a land of rich history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From the vast Sahara Desert to the peaks of the Atlas Mountains, this country offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Join us as we explore the journey of Morocco, a place where East meets West, and the past beautifully intertwines with the present. Chapter 1. The Ancient Roots. Scenes of ancient ruins like Volubilis and other archaeological sites. Narrator. Morocco's history stretches back thousands of years. It is home to some of the oldest civilizations in North Africa. The Phoenicians were among the first to settle here, followed by the Carthaginians and Romans. The ruins of Volubilis, an ancient Roman city, tell the story of these early settlers, and it's here that we witness Morocco's first step onto the world stage. Chapter 2. Islamic Influence. Scenes of the beautiful mosques, vibrant souks, and cultural landmarks like the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca. Narrator. In the 7th century, Morocco became part of the Islamic world. The Arab influence brought not only religion but also a flourishing of culture, science, and trade. The famous dynasties like the Almoravids, Almohads, and Marinids played a pivotal role in shaping Morocco's identity. Cities like Marrakesh, Fes, and Rabat became centers of learning and culture, attracting scholars from across the globe. Chapter 3. The Kingdom of Morocco. Footage of the royal palace's streets of Marrakesh and the bustling Medina. Narrator. Morocco has been a kingdom for over 1,000 years, with a monarchy that has remained a symbol of unity and strength. The current monarchy, led by King Mohammed VI, continues to guide the country through both traditional values and modern progress. Today, Morocco remains a constitutional monarchy with a deep connection to its heritage. Chapter 4. Cultural Diversity. Clips of the varied Moroccan people, music, festivals, and cuisine. Narrator. Morocco is a land of great cultural diversity. Its people are a mix of Berber, Arab, and even sub-Saharan African descent. This fusion of cultures is reflected in the country's art, music, and food. The soulful sounds of Nawa music, the intricate designs of Moroccan handicrafts, and the tantalizing flavors of tagine and couscous are just a few aspects that make Morocco a cultural treasure. Chapter 5. Natural Wonders. Footage of the Sahara Desert, Atlas Mountains, and coastline. Narrator. From the vast golden dunes of the Sahara to the snow-capped peaks of the Atlas Mountains, Morocco's landscapes are nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're trekking through the mountains, riding camels across the desert, or enjoying the stunning coastline along the Mediterranean and Atlantic, Morocco offers an adventure for every traveler. Chapter 6. Tourism and Modern Morocco. Footage of modern Morocco, luxury resorts, bustling markets, and advanced infrastructure. Narrator. Today, Morocco is a thriving tourist destination, blending its historical roots with modern progress. From the busy streets of Casablanca to the luxury resorts of Agadir, visitors can experience a perfect mix of ancient traditions and contemporary luxury. Morocco's infrastructure is continuously growing, offering travelers comfort, safety, and unforgettable experiences. Conclusion. Final scenes of Morocco's vibrant cities, people, and nature. Narrator. Morocco is a country that offers much more than just beautiful landscapes and historical landmarks. It is a place where history, culture, and nature converge. Whether you're here to explore its ancient cities, experience its rich culture, or simply immerse yourself in the serene beauty of its landscapes, Morocco never fails to leave an impression on the heart of every traveler. Scene fades out with the Moroccan flag fluttering against the setting sun. Narrator: Come, discover Morocco, the land of wonder. This script provides a broad overview of Morocco's history, culture, and tourism, ideal for a documentary format. Let me know if you need more details or modifications.